Woo, that sun is fantastic, my friends. It's me, Sean Vigue, with SeanVigueFitness.com. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, we have a Pilates core workout. I want you to check in below right now if you've never done Pilates before. I'm very flattered if you're doing it with me for the first time. It's all body weight, no weights, no machines, great for everybody, but make sure you modify as needed. Pilates can be very deceptive in its intensity. We're going to work our core outward through a series of exercises, and I'm tossing in a lot of classic Pilates exercises into the mix also, right from my driveway, so thanks for joining me. All right, that's enough talking. Let's get going. We're going to start with some windshield wipers, get the sides warmed up. For Pilates, we want to breathe in the nose and out the mouth. Good, steady breathing, really pumping the oxygen into the body. Take the arms out, and let's take those legs side to side 10 times. Exhale to the side, inhale to the center. We're going to connect these exercises into a flow. So you can always pause the video if it goes a little too fast for you, but you will get that rhythm. Just practice, always practicing. Do this 3 or 4 times a week. Moving into the Pilates 100, bring the legs to tabletop position. We're going to warm up the core or extend the legs out. Arms forward, shoulders back and down. We're going to stabilize the core, fix that strength, pump the arms up and down 5 to 6 inches. We're going to breathe in for 5 and exhale for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Last set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How did that feel? Woo! Burning, getting the blood moving. Now from here, we're going to move into the rollover. But here, take the legs up. If you don't want to do the full rollover, take the hands under the hips. We're going to lower and raise. Inhale, lower. Exhale, raise. That's in lieu of the rollover. For those of you who want to do the full rollover, take the arms to the sides, extend the legs out 45 degrees. Exhale, peel off the mat. Up and over, touch the toes. Inhale, flex the feet, stretch the legs. Now let's slowly massage back down into the mat. 4 more times. Exhale, use those deep abdominal muscles. Inhale, and then massage down. Always taking great care of that spine, using great control and precision. And flex, whole stretch down the backs of the legs. Woo! 1 more time. Squeeze the abs, slow it down, excellent. Now let's rise up and do our saw, S-A-W. And this is just a sneak peek at Pilates. There's so much more, there's always more. Heels, outside edges, arms out, shoulders back and down. We're going to twist here first and then dive forward. Pinky finger, pinky toe. 2 exhales, 2 pulses. Pulse, pulse, looking to the back arm and then back up. 10 more repetitions. Here we go. Inhale, twist. 2, 3. Good. 4. Good form. 5. Twist. 6, 7, and 8, and 9. 9 times. Twist, pulse, pulse. Beautiful. Sitting up tall. Bring the legs together. The teaser. Here's a variation on the teaser. There's a wasp, the nosiest wasp I've ever met, or hornet. Come on down, 5 teasers. Take the legs out, arms to the sides. We're gonna exhale, we're gonna lift up, half boat, or full boat. There's a number of variations on this. Let's do this one. I like this one. Bend the knees, slowly lower down, massage the back, end of the mat. Okay, 4 more times. Squeeze the abs. That was a little sloppy. I think I'm thinking about that wasp. The wasp is on my mind. And bring it down 3 more times. Activate the abs, lift. There we are. Extend. And down. Definitely working the core, working the abdominals, the reserves in the abs. Whew, that is good, good, good. Massage. 1 more time. Effortless. Lift it up, extend, back, and down. Whew. And now rocking up, front edge of your mat. This is called rolling like a ball. If it doesn't feel right, please don't roll back. You can stay right up here. You can go to half boat or to the starting position of rolling like a ball, hands to the shins. We're gonna tuck the chin 4 times. Tuck the chin, inhale, roll to the shoulders, and then exhale, roll back up. You wanna massage the spine like a wheel, very smooth. Oops, get down here, here we go. Oh, went a little too far on that one, that's all right. 1 more time. Use the core to control that movement. Now come on down, right leg up, left leg out, single straight leg stretch 10 times. Pulse, pulse, switch. 2, 3, 4. Let me know if that wasp comes back. 5, 6, we gotta talk. 7, 8, 9, long lean muscles, 10, and let's finish this with the crisscross. 90 degrees right here, left leg out, lift the chest towards the knee, switch, 90 degrees. Let's do 20, let's speed it up, keep the right angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my goodness. The flames just coming off the abdominals. All right. And let's come down for pulling the straps. Arms to the sides, legs together 10 times. Inhale, reach forward, open the legs. Exhale, pull back, working our posterior chain. The weight is on your stomach. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Arms forward. A fast swim. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Start chopping. Breathe in for 5, out for 5. Building a lot of flexibility in the muscles here. The glutes, shoulders, back, legs. 3 more breaths. Here's 1. 2. And 3. All up, Superman, 3 breaths. Woo. Okay. Press it up and back. Let's finish with Pilates push-ups. Rising up, we'll do 5. You can do 1 push-up, you can hold the plank, or do 3 push-ups. I'm gonna do 3. Let's do 5 repetitions. So walk out, push-ups. Elbows in, and then walk back. Activate the abs, rise up. Boom, shoulders back. 4 more. Good, parallel to the ground. You can even brush your chest on the mat. Full stretch. Here's 3. Let's do 2 more repetitions after this. Fix the pants, there we are. Dive, release the spine. And walk back, rising up. 1 more time, good form. Tuck the chin, dive. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, and 3. We got it. Walk back slowly. Stretch the legs. Rising up. Okay, shoulders back and down. Excellent work, my friends. What did you think of that workout? Make sure you check in below. And as always, thanks for training with me, Coach Vigue, Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.